Marxism, a philosophy developed by Karl Marx in the 19th century, has multiple goals. First, to expose capitalism. Marx and Engels believed that capitalist ideologies were misleading and kept workers submissive. Marx argued that capitalists exploit workers by paying them less than the full value of their labor, which he called surplus value. Second, to create a communist society. Marxism aims to create a classless society on a global scale by replacing private ownership with collective ownership of the means of production. Third, to analyze society. Marxism seeks to explain social phenomena by analyzing economic activities and material conditions. It assumes that the mode of production influences other social phenomena, such as political institutions, legal systems, and ideologies. This has certainly been true in the minds of many totalitarian dictators. In contrast, America's enduring success is attributed to the God factor. The founders said, "Our rights come from God, not the state." While Marx's philosophy suggests everything should perish, Jesus offered a message of eternal life, as stated in John 3:16. This approach has yielded infinitely better results around the planet.